These two teams have to be exhausted, but you'd never know it by watching them play.
They just look hungry for more. Hello, everyone. This is Game 5 of the Eastern Semifinal between the Carolina Hurricanes and the Washington Capitals. Stahl with the puck. Great glove.
What a save off the blocker.
Orlov jumps on the loose puck. And out they come with a puck.
Line 3.
Line 4, you're out. Advances the puck. Slavin knocks the puck loose. Shoots it quickly. Panic picks it up. Mrazek hits the post. Brings it out. Centered. Kudus takes control of the puck. Siegenthaler moved it. Panic dumps it. Grabbed by Carolina. Net shots. Niederreiter. Picked up by Washington. Kuznetsov. Wrist shot all along the boards. Carolina takes over. Dzingel. Niederreiter. He dumped it in. Backstrom. Out over the blue line. Moved back. Over the line. Backstrom gets checked. Pesci gets the loose puck. Backstrom. Mrazek hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Washington. Siegenthaler with the puck. Leipzig. Hagelin grabbed it. He gets shoved. Siegenthaler grabs the puck. Hagelin corrals it. Trocheck in control now. In the corner, Holtby gets the blocker on it.
Terrific save right there.
Boyd. In the corner. Bouchy knocks him off the puck. Svechnikov. He dumps it in. Scooped up by Carolina. Bouchy gets checked.
He left them a bit confused.
Advances the puck. Slap shot. Mrazek gets the blocker on it.
Great deflection to make the save.
The Capitals dump the puck in. Vrana has it now. Slavin. Played across. Tedavainen with a wrist shot. He jumps on the loose puck. Shea backhands it. Leg save.
The goalie says no to that shot.
Holtby hangs on for the whistle. Takes control of the puck, just wide of the net. Scores!
He let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that goal.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. Carolina has managed to grab a quick lead. Does that give them a bit of a psychological edge?
It can. You'll always get a lift when you set the tone of the game early on.
McKean cranked it. Holtby stoned him.
Denies him with the pad.
Backstrom, wrist shot. Scores! It trickled in.
Loose puck after the initial shot led to that goal. Rebounds like that are lethal to a goal.
Tie game, middle of the first period.
They've pulled back to an even footing. Can they pull ahead? That's the question.
Kudus scoops up the loose puck. Nepway gets checked. Williams. Trocheck grabs the puck. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Fogel takes control of the puck. Blocked. Panic takes possession of the puck. Over center. Vatanen. Ahead to the neutral zone. Svechnikov gets checked. Slavin.
Line 2.
Kovalchuk. He
one sweet goal.
That was the play they were looking for.
It gives them a 1-goal lead, and that's an awfully nice thing to have.
Especially this late in the period.
By number 17.
In over the line.
And by number
Backstrom finds the loose puck.
Wilson.
Aho, Alshi corrals it one time. Brasic closed the door.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Quick pass up. Carlson knocks the puck loose. Washington takes possession. Dillon. Wilson takes it. One-timer. Gardiner picked it up.
The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second.
And receive a free team poster.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back.
We've got a close game brewing, so it should be a good one.
The face-off goes to the Hurricanes. Trocheck out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Pesci gets hold of the puck. Over the line. Williams. Heller gets the loose puck. Hepway has it now. He's all alone. Vattanen jumps on the loose puck. Pesci gets thrashed. Backstrom takes possession of the puck. He scores!
Wow, really not fair when a guy can shoot it like that.
Nice goal. He's going to score more often than not with that kind of slap shot. Washington now enjoys a 2-goal lead early in the second.
As long as they don't enjoy it too much. One wrong bounce, and we're back to a 1-goal game.
Slevin gets the loose puck. Svechnikov, Carolina, scooped it up. He dumps it. Washington with it now. Kuznetsov. Dillon takes it. Wilson grabs it. Over center. In front, Vrana. Aho picks up the puck from Brasic. Gardiner. Niederreiter grabbed it. With a wrist shot, Holtby, great save.
The goalie stoned him on that one.
Wrist shot, Brasic shut the door.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Trocheck holds up Orlov, advances the puck, passed ahead. Justin Williams finds the loose puck. Trocheck now has it. Backstrom now with it. Vrana has it. Brings it out.
Line one.
Vrana gets checked. He takes possession of the puck. Up along the boards. Orlov takes control of the puck. Hepway. Along the board, Kudis scores!
What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
The faceoff goes to the Capitals. Moved up, centers it.
Joe Budas, assisted by number 21.
Shoots the puck. Brasic gets a pad on it. Netchas gets pushed. Gardiner grabs the puck. Martinook. The Hurricanes dump it in. One times it. Holtby made the pad save. McGean with the puck. Hagelin gets hammered. Boyd intercepts the pass. Moved ahead. Passed ahead. Leipzig has his pocket pick. Delayed call. Over the blue line. Netchas with a slap shot. He's with the puck. Shoots quickly. Netchas gets in the way. Leipzig is going off for roughing.
The play started to break down on this sequence. Just watch the contact on the replay.
Washington will need to work the clock and just get through this.
No, not necessarily, Jim. They've been known to score shorthanded. They may try to go on the attack.
Hockstrom jumps on the loose puck. Carlson, he jumps on it. Through center, played back. Scores! Shorthanded, they score!
He stepped into that shot big time. Put it past the goal.
A one-timer is hockey. Rocky's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Jordan Stahl gets hold of the puck. Svechnikov working along the perimeter with a wrist shot. Siegenthaler stops the shot.
Carlson.
Svechnikov picks up the puck from Mrazek. Svechnikov gets crushed. Kudus with the puck. Tervainen, wrist shot. Gardiner takes over. Kuznetsov brings it out. Over the line. Kuznetsov shoots. Carlson picks up the puck from Holtby. Rocek checks. Carlson brings it in. Backstrom gets shoved. Niederreiter takes possession of the puck. Stahl with a wrist shot. Carolina got it. In over the line. Tervainen, wrist shot. Leipzig skates back onto the ice. The power play is over. Backstrom jumps on the loose puck. Slavin with a wrist shot. He hits the post. Vrana. Quick pass up. Centered. Jordan Stahl finds the loose puck. Washington steals it. Backstrom gobbles it up. Carolina touches up for the icing call. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Fogle, quick shot. Moved ahead. Pesci gets hold of the puck. Working along the perimeter. Holtby closes the door. Ottonen takes control of the puck. Fogle now with it. Williams dumps it in. Fogle grabbed it. Netchas gets it. Hetway gets in the way. At center. And out they come with a puck.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Over the blue line. Hugland, wrist shot, nailed. Took him out of the play that time.
For the playoffs and special events with season tickets. For more information, please call our hotline.
It's time to start the third period.
If there's going to be a comeback, Jim, it'll have to start almost right away.
Aho wins the draw. Played across. Advances the puck. Dzingel. Aho now with the puck. Carolina has it now. Dzingel. Carolina puts its scoring line out. Centered. Kovalchuk is in all alone. Shoots the puck. Gardiner. Svechnikov. Carolina takes control. Backstrom gets rocked. Svechnikov fires hard. Moved ahead. Alshi scoops up the loose puck. Tervainen. At center. Vatanen offside. Carolina. Rocek won the faceoff. Fogle gets the loose puck. Leipzig out over the blue line. Kempny gets hold of the puck. Fogle crushes him. Leipzig with the puck. Fogle. Jordan Stahl corrals it. Miller finds it. Rink-wide pass. To the one-timer. Kudus takes control of the puck. Panic with a wrist shot. Mrazek, great save.
Some good work to stop that shot.
Kudus jumps on the loose puck. Alshi. Into the attacking zone. Delayed penalty coming up. Aho will serve time for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
Washington sees their chance with this power play.
And this is as good a chance in this game as they're likely to get.
2 minutes for hooking.
Holtby hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Stahl wins the draw. Shea, he gets bumped off the puck. He's out of the play. Kuznetsov gets pushed. Jordan Stahl gets hold of the puck. Kovalchuk, backhand. Mrazek, stoned in cold. Shoots the puck. Pesci stops the shot. And out they come with the puck. Advances the puck. Dillon now has the puck. Jordan Stahl pushes him. Ilya Kovalchuk finds the loose puck. Along the boards, Backstrom, Tervainen jumps on the loose puck. And it's icing against Washington. We're ready for the face-off. Stahl won the face-off. Holtby made the save. Carlson takes control of the puck. In over the line. Vrana shoots! Out of their defensive end. Passed ahead. Jordan Stahl dumps the puck in. He scoops it up. Brings it in. Cranks one. Holtby, great save.
And the shooter comes away empty-handed that time.
Aho heads back onto the ice and is looking to do some damage.
Well, he might feel that the penalty wasn't merited, but I've got some advice. Playing a great game is the best revenge.
And this time, they've gone in offside. Move back. Blocked. Advances the puck. The Capitals dump the puck in. Grabbed by Carolina. Brocek. Williams gets shoved. Played up. Fogel with the puck.
Line two!
Brocek. Dzingel. Dzingel slaps it. He scores!
Hey, they better check the puck for cracks after that slapper.
No doubt. Good thing it didn't hit the goalie. Might have knocked him into the net as well. Boyd finds the loose puck. Holtby has faced a ton of shots in this game.
He's a big reason this team is playing as well as they are.
He's been a brick wall in the net so far.
He's done everything but stand on his head. And the game's not over yet.
In behind. Svechnikov jumps on the loose puck. Jordan Stahl. Washington scoops it up. Tervainen. Over the blue line. Working along the perimeter. Moved up. Netchas with the puck. Backhanded shot. Offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Backstrom wins the draw. Dzingel finds the loose puck. The Hurricanes dump it. Oshie scooped it up. Gardiner, backhanded shot from the right. Backstrom gets in the way. Washington puts its third line out. Play back. Dzingel. Carolina dumps the puck in. Dzingel got it. Pesci, twist shot from the left. Holtby gets a leg on it. Holtby has been phenomenal between the pipes.
If they can win this game, he's the reason why.
Across. Centers it.
Last minute to go in the third period.
Miller runs over Brocek. Icing called against Washington. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to Carolina. Svechnikov jumps on the loose puck. Slavin shoots it quickly. Taken by Washington. Kempney, Carolina, in control now. Shoots quickly. Dillon stops the shot. Kuznetsov. He gets hold of the puck. Into the attacking zone. Wilson. He takes control of the puck. The Hurricanes dump it in. Teravainen has it. Delayed call against Washington. Stahl with the puck. Shoots it hard. There's a penalty coming up. Wilson will get the gate for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Washington drew the penalty and will have to play shorthanded.
That means playing smart positional hockey on offense and scrambling on defense. It'll be a tough few minutes.
Let's see what happens. And that ends this one. Washington wins a big game here tonight.
They're still down, but only by a single game.
Tonight's top star, Washington number 77, TJ Oshie. Tonight's second star for Washington, number 33, Rocco Gudas.
From Washington, D.C., we've witnessed another fine matchup.
I'm Craig Simpson with Jim Houston, and this has been a presentation of EA Sports.
We'll see you next time.